In this video we will show you how to make a healthy CBD smoothie. Firstly, you will need a blender to blend all the ingredients together. Next, you want to choose your fruit and veggies, and optionally you can even put in herbs, nuts, seeds if you'd like. Firstly, you want to add a leafy green, either kale, spinach or romaine lettuce. Secondly, you always want to add a banana to a smoothie, it just helps to keep it a bit thicker. This can either be a fresh banana or frozen. Thirdly, you want to choose a fruit. Again, these can be fresh or frozen. It's best to use things like berries, pineapple, mango, kiwi. Fourth, you want to choose your CBD. Now, the best CBD to use in a CBD smoothie would be an isolate CBD, a full spectrum or broad spectrum CBD oil, or what's even better is to use a water soluble CBD. The final step is optional. You can add some herbs like cilantro, parsley, mint. You could add sunflower seeds, flax seeds, hemp seeds, cashew nuts, walnuts. So in this video now we're going to make a delicious smoothie with pineapple, banana, mint, spinach and water soluble CBD. It's my favourite. Firstly, add the spinach and the banana and the frozen pineapple and mint into a blender. Whiz the blender up. Then, after a few minutes, add a few drops of water-soluble CBD. This water-soluble CBD has 1,000 milligrams of CBD in the bottle and is 5 milligram per drop. So I'm adding 4 drops, which would make the CBD smoothie contain 20 milligrams of CBD. Whiz it up a little bit more, and voila! You now have a tasty and healthy CBD smoothie. Why not try and make your own recipes for a CBD smoothie? Don't worry, just try out different ingredients and see what you like the best.